Good afternoon, Warriors, and welcome to 2019. I hope everyone had a very enjoyable and relaxing break. Taking a look at our homework for our first night of school in 2019 in math. We've got a percent review just to kind of go over everything that we did in terms of in the month of December leading up to break, and that is for both honors and regular math. This is a paper pencil assignment. This is on the Chromebook. Our units of measurement test is Friday, January 4th. We took a pre-test today. You've got links in Google Classroom that can help study. You also have an answer document that gives you all 40 answers to the quiz that you will take on Friday. There is no reason in the world that you should not do well unless you do not prepare for this. In science, we've got an assignment called Potential and Kinetic Energy. If you're in honors science, or you're working on your science fair project. In social studies, we have to read an article on our Chromebooks called Agricultural in Egypt and then fill out a Google form answering 6 questions. In language arts, you're going to take your New Year's resolution and you're writing a paragraph with a topic sentence, 3 supporting statements, and a concluding sentence. In literature, AR points are due this Friday. One point of note, and this is for the parents out there as well as students, as of December 19, 2018, 6th graders are no longer required to have their agendas signed nightly. They are, however, still required to write down their assignments as they had been doing before. We will, from time to time, go around and check the students' agendas to see if they are filling them out. If you're a parent and you would like to keep signing off on it, by all means go for it, but the 6th grade staff will not be checking for signatures anymore. That's it for today, and let's have a great 2019.